Are you looking for the best quality Apple AirPods? Then there is no doubt that you have come to the right place. Then why is it late? Let's get started. Apple AirPods second generation. Wireless earbuds with lightning charging case included. Over 24 hours of battery life. Effortless setup. Bluetooth headphones for iPhone. Quick access to Siri by saying "Hey Siri." More than 24 hours total listening time with the charging case. Effortless setup, in-ear detection, and automatic switching for a magical experience. Easily share audio between two sets of AirPods on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or Apple TV. Apple AirPods with charging case, latest model. Weight AirPods, each 0.14 ounce 4G. Charging case, 1.34 ounces 38G. Dimensions AirPods, each 0.65 by 0.71 by 1.59 inches 16.5 by 18.0 by 40.5 mm. Charging case, 1.74 by 0.84 by 2.11 inches 44.3 by 21.3 by 53.5 mm. AirPods sensors, each dual beamforming microphones, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerate meter, speech detecting accelerate meter. Power and battery AirPods with charging case. More than 24 hours listening time. Up to 18 hours talk time. AirPods. Single charge. Up to 5 hours listening time. Up to 3 hours talk time or 15 minutes in the case equals up to 3 hours listening time or up to 2 hours talk time. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family.